When it comes to landing page software, the choices can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll be comparing Thrive Architect versus Landingi, and I'll help you figure out which one is the best landing page software for your needs. But stick around, because I'll also reveal a better alternative at the end that you might want to consider. First off, let's talk about Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is a WordPress plugin that's known for its easy drag-and-drop editor and its massive library of pre-built templates. You can create highly customizable landing pages with minimal effort, and it integrates seamlessly with your WordPress site. What's great about it is the number of features it offers for the price. Whether you need countdown timers, testimonials, or advanced customization options, Thrive Architect has it all. Next thing, the learning curve. While Thrive Architect is user-friendly, you'll still need a little time to master the interface if you want to make full use of its features. If you're just starting, you might feel a bit overwhelmed with all the options available. But once you get the hang of it, it's a powerful tool. Now let's look at Landingi. Landingi offers a very similar drag-and-drop builder, and it stands out for being a complete landing page platform, not just a WordPress plugin. With Landingi, you get everything you need for creating landing pages, from templates to A/B testing and analytics. It's a solid choice if you're looking for an all-in-one solution outside of WordPress. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you don't need to spend a lot of time getting up to speed. The fourth thing I want to mention about Landingi is its pricing. While the base plan starts at a reasonable price, it doesn't include some of the more advanced features like A/B testing and integrations with third-party tools. For those, you'll need to upgrade to higher tier plans, which can get expensive. So, it's worth considering if you really need all those extras, or if you can get by with a simpler tool like Thrive Architect. Another key difference to think about is the flexibility of integrations. Thrive Architect, as a WordPress plugin, easily integrates with other plugins, which gives you more control over how you manage your website. Landingi, on the other hand, offers integrations with a lot of popular email marketing platforms and CRM tools, but it doesn't offer as many customization options if you need something outside of the box. Next up, customer support. Thrive Architect has a solid support system, with tutorials and a helpful community forum, but you don't get direct support unless you're on the Pro plan. Landingi, however, provides 24/7 customer support across all its plans, which can be a huge benefit if you're facing any issues when building landing pages. Finally, let's talk about performance. Both Thrive Architect and Landingi offer fast loading times for your landing pages, which is critical for conversion rates. However, since Thrive Architect works with WordPress, your site's overall performance will depend on your hosting provider. Landingi, being an all-in-one platform, ensures optimized performance without relying on external hosting. Now, let's wrap things up. Both Thrive Architect and Landingi have their strengths and weaknesses. Thrive Architect is a great choice for WordPress users who want full control and flexibility, while Landingi offers a more complete solution outside of WordPress, especially if you need integrated analytics and A/B testing. But here's the thing, I've tried both of these options, and while they're both solid, they don't quite measure up when it comes to ease of use and overall functionality. If you want a landing page builder that's more intuitive, offers better customer support, and provides a free trial that truly gives you the best bang for your buck, then you should check out the link in the description. This will get you an exclusive offer that's only available to our viewers. So go ahead and take advantage of the free trial and start building your landing pages the right way. You won't regret it.